Hello, good morning. I'm Farzana Begum and I'm happy to hear. I completed my bachelor degree in commerce in the year 2019 and now I am explaining about global IT outsourcing and IT strategy Apple Inc. Here I will explain while showing the slides. First of all, I'll tell you about introduction to global IT source outsourcing. Here in definition, global IT outsourcing is an act of outsourcing specific IT services. Here it's showing it is the act of specific IT services including software development, customer service or infrastructure support service to service provides in other countries. Here it's showing about the different types of services related to the whatever the service providing in the other countries. And here the significance is it enables firms to raise productivity, minimize expenses and get a dedicated skills workforce worldwide. So here benefits and drawbacks of global IT outsourcing. Here I will explain you about the benefits and whatever the drawbacks of global IT outsourcing. Here first of all I will explain the benefits. Here cost savings, access to expertise and scalability. The cost saving is to reduce the cost of operations through outsourcing to nations that charge little to the service of the employees. It will be the cost savings. Here access to expertise is the global talent pools provide access to specialized skills. And last one is scalability. It becomes easier to scale IT operations based on the changes in demand and the use of IT products. And I will explain you about the drawbacks. First one is communication challenges, second data security risk, and third control issues. In that communication challenges, time zones and language barrier can hinder collaboration, and data security risk is the ability to handle sensitive data is a process weakness, and the control issues is to reduce control over outsourced processes. And now I will tell you about the Apple Inc. overview and IT strategy. Here we are having two things like company overview and IT strategy focuses. So in the company overview, Apple Inc. was established in 1976, in the year of 1976, and is a technological company that designs and manufacture customers electronics and computer software and services. And it is famous for iPhone, iPad, Mac and other systems sales including iOS and macOS. So it will be different types of overviews of the company, and I will explain you about the IT strategy focus. Outsourcing enables Apple to achieve the best result in the hardware production and development of software products as well as in the quality of customer supports. And the major outsourcing suppliers are Foxconn in hardware production and Wistron in assembly. So here hiring iOS app development support from countries such as India through software outsourcing. It is a different types of IT strategy focus. And the main impact of outsourcing on Apple's IT strategy is, and here I am explaining you the benefits of outsourcing for Apple. First, cost efficiency, faster time to market, focus on innovation. Here different types of benefits of outsourcing for Apple. First one is cost efficiency. The main reason for such a reduction in manufacturing cost is the outsourcing of production to Foxconn in China. And another one is faster time to market. Here the time will be fasting. The use of global supply chains facilitate the speedy introduction of a product into the market as seen with Apple. And the last one is focus on innovation. Using outsourcing as a strategy, Apple can focus its efforts on research, design and producing the newest technologies. And here the challenges of Apple faces is supply chain risk. This sometimes poses problems such as reliance on specific countries, and frequently it's good but sometimes it's bad. For example, China was hit by a trade war and COVID-19. It is hit by the trade war and the COVID-19. And ethnical concerns. Here, criticism over labor practices at outsourcing partners' facilities. Now, I will conclude by saying the conclusion. It outsourcing allows Apple to acquire third party expertise at a lower cost and with more easy of scaling than direct implementation. However, threats that are associated with supply chains include risk and ethical issues that must be well handled. And it is a I will explain. Last, outsourcing is a very important part of Apple's IT strategy as it can sustain a competitive advantage while developing itself around the key competence. So here we saw a brief things of like outsourcing and Apple Inc. And